Good evening, guys. How you doing? This is Eric B, Master Trader with the One Percenters. Just wanted to do a weekly outlook. As you guys can see, it's October 6, 2018, 6:09. I know a lot of guys, everybody's out watching football, college football, which I have it on too. But this is why we make money. I'm always studying, and I'm always trying to better help my students become better traders so they can help their family financially. So I just want to give about four pairs quickly. You guys need to take a look at for next week for potential trades. These right here, I'm doing a little special because with the products IML, guys, IML changed my life. With the products, with the harmonic scanner, the basics to advanced learning, IML TV, the live sessions, and they have so many products that's really changed my life where it's even helped me come up with my own strategy, which is tied to from the information that they have given me that from that educational platform called the Crossover. So guys, I'm getting ready to break this down for you, kind of give you some little, I'm not going to give you all of it because if you want it, you need to come over here and join the One Percenters. But like right here, USD JPY, we're looking for we're going to do stops on this. We're going to do a sell stop and buy stops. I'm going to show you guys how to utilize this and whatnot. But right now, again, we like to mark our charts. As you guys can see, we have a little support here. We have a little resistance here. I like to mark my support in blue because when price is there, you may be looking for a buy, but when price is in and then I like to mark my resistance in red because when you're looking at that, you're looking for potential sales. So right now with price, but my overall bias, which like I said, I learned this skill set from IML. So my overall bias right now, I'm looking for a price reversal. So right now I will be setting my sell stop somewhere in here in this area. So when price breaks down, I'm looking for price to do something like this, come down here, trigger my sell stop, retrace, and then keep on going down for about 40 to 50 pips, guys. That's one of my trades that I'm looking for. This is a sell stop on USD JPY, guys. The next one I'm looking for is CAD JPY, pretty much the same situation. Take a look at the line up. I'm looking for my sell stop to be somewhere in here. As you guys, we mark our charts. It broke out. You had a little resistance there. I'm sorry, support. So it broke out. So I'm looking for a continuation down. Earlier, I think last week we did we had a little. So I like to just mark my chart. So guys, I said I have it. So I'm marking resistance, even though it don't have anything to do with the trade where it is now. So right now I'm looking for for my sell stop to be somewhere in here, and then I'm looking for price to go ahead and trigger that, could break on down, trigger this, and then do a little retracement, and then come on down for about 50 more pips, guys. This is what we're looking at. This is the crossover strategy that I've come up with the help from the educational platform from IML. This is changing lives. So I'm just kind of giving you guys bits and pieces. But if you guys want to learn more, you need to come over and see it. But the one thing about stops, if price could easily not trigger and go straight up, right? But the big thing is you didn't lose. So you can preset the pending orders and just set and forget, guys. That's the one thing powerful about this. So that's one CAD JPY sell stop, looking for 50 pips on that. You can go ahead and set that. The next one is Euro CAD. Also, sorry, typing in it wrong, going too fast. All right, Euro CAD here, same thing. Except this is going to be a buy stop. I'm looking at doing a buy stop in here. Again, this is the strategy that we have, the One Percenters that we gained from our educational platform that we're a part of. We have resistance. Yeah, I'm sorry, support there. I like to mark that. You get in the habit of marking your charts, guys, and it'll help you. Then we got a little resistance here. So I'm looking for price to break out of that resistance and continue up and have a good push up. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to hit my buy stop in here, trigger a little retracement, and keep on going up, maybe 50 to 100 pips. So that's a good potential on EuroCAD as as a buy stop, guys. So keep that on your radar. Again, can price easily. I don't have a clue what price is gonna do. So we're gonna let price come to us. We're gonna let the market come to. It could easily just turn around and drop back down. But guess what? There's no trade. We didn't lose. But if it comes in that zone, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a continuation. It's gonna come up, retrace back, and continue up, guys. So that's what we're looking for. All right. I have one more CAD Swiss franc. This is the last one, guys. I'm giving you guys a lot of good trades set up for next week. So I hope you guys taking it. Here you got to wait a little longer so you can have your I want the sell stop. So there's 3 sell stops and 2 buy stops. I want my sell stop to be here because what I'm looking for me to take this, I want price to kind of drop a little further, give me a good impulse down, trigger my sell stop, retrace, and then, like I said, we're going to have another 50 pip move down. Again, guys, let me mark my resistance. As you can see, price hit resistance in here. We're getting a little breakout in the little support in here. Let me mark that in blue. But yeah, so it broke out of there. So I'm looking for price to continue down another 50 to 100 pips. But the reason why I have my my sell stop a little lower, because I want it to really break and give me a nice push. Impulsive move that lets me know it's going to continue down and give me that extra 50 to 100 pips. But again, guys, this is Eric B, the master trader with the 1%ers. This is just a little bit of sneak peek of the crossover strategy that I learned from the educational platform that IML have given us to help change lives, guys. If you're not a part of this, if you want to at least take a look at these trades, hopefully you guys can make some money with these trades. But this is what we do over here, guys. So contact us. Our information is on this page or below this page. If you guys want to be a part, if you have questions, feel free, guys. Hey, this is Eric B, October 6, 2018 at 6:16, guys. We always study. I'm always a student of the game. That's why you get paid, guys. The reason why we're the 1%ers, because there's a small percentage willing to put the time in to get what you want, guys. So this is what we do. Hey, you guys have a good one. Hope you have a good trade week. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, guys. How you guys doing? This is Eric B, master trader with the 1%ers. Just wanted to do a follow-up video on the weekly outlook that I put out on some pairs that we were looking for. My team members, we're already over 100 pips already, and it's Monday at 2 o'clock, guys. This is what you guys will get if you guys come and join our team, because we're part of the Our Markets Live group. The educational platform is unbelievable. But let me just show you guys how quickly we got 100 pips on these trades. All right. First of all, we had it. We was looking for a sale here, which, if you guys recalling the first video, we was doing pending orders. So we set these orders last night, and we just pretty much followed them throughout the day. We haven't done anything else, just follow our trades. So we got in about right here because we're waiting for price to drop past the support. And here you guys can see already about 50 pips. And I'm still riding this one trade out. So I'm 50 plus pips in profit right now, and I'm just gonna keep riding it down because I'm probably gonna be looking for another 50 pips. All right, so that was UJ. So that was a good trade. The next trade is CAD Yen that we had on our list from the first video that we was looking at. As you guys can see, we had a same thing. We had a pending order here. We got in here. We was waiting also for price to break the little support here. So we had our pending order right below that, and we got in here. So, and again, if you look at it from the first video, from here to there, that's also another 50 pips. And I already closed this trade out because it got to the next level of support, which was here. So it may retrace a little bit on me. So I just went ahead and closed it, took my money. Again, that's 100 pips, guys. And you do the math. If it's $1 a pip on 100 pips, that's $100, guys, just from last night. If it's $5 a pip, that's $500 from last night. If it's $10 a pip, that's $1,000 just overnight, guys. This is the power of trading Forex. So you guys can reach out to us. The email and contact information will be on this video or below this video on this page. If you guys want to learn this skill set, please come join the 1%ers. Also, I had on the video EuroCAD, which did not come in our zone, so we didn't trade it, guys. And this is one thing we like about the strategy. It did not come in our zone, so it was a no trade. We also had CAD, Swiss franc. Also, it didn't come in our zone yet, so we didn't trade. So that was it. We had 4 trades set up, 2 hit over 100 pips. The other 2 hasn't hit yet. We'll still keep the pending orders out, and in the meantime, we'll probably look at some more opportunities, guys. But this is what you guys will get. I appreciate your time. More videos to come, guys. Come on over and join the 1%ers. Thank you. Have a great day.